Hey everyone, today we're working on this Codewars challenge called Palindromes Here and There, and in this challenge we're given an array called numbers, and the task is going to be to look through the array and check if each number is a palindrome, meaning it's the same forwards and backwards, and if it is, we're going to replace that number with a 1, and if it's not, we replace the number with a 0. So if we look at the example right here, first number 101, that is a palindrome, so it gets replaced with a 1. 2, just a single number by itself, that is a palindrome, so it gets replaced with a 1. 85 is not a palindrome, so it gets replaced with a 0. And you kind of extend that pattern. So in order to solve this, what I want to do is first I'm going to create a helper function called isPalindrome. And the purpose of this function is just going to be to check each number as we go through our main function and simply return true or false if the number is a palindrome. So it's going to take in a number, there is a parameter, and what we want to do is compare the string version of the number to the string of the number, and then we need to reverse it. So we do, in order to reverse a string, we do dot split and dot reverse and dot join, because we can't, in JavaScript, we can't reverse a string itself, so we do have to split it into an array, reverse the array, and then join it back together. So that's the process for reversing a string, and I'm comparing the original number, the string version of it, to the string that we've reversed right here. This will give us a Boolean value, true or false, if those things are equal to each other, and let us know if the number is in fact a palindrome. So now I can come up here to our main function where we'll use this. So what I can do is I can iterate through the array using the map function. So we're going to do numbers.map. We're going to pass in each number from the numbers array, and we're going to run this isPalindrome function. This will return true or false. So I can do this simply in one line with a ternary operator. And if isPalindrome returns true, then we want to return a 1. And if it returns false, then we're going to return a 0. So assuming that I've kind of typed everything correctly here, this should be working. Looks good so far. Yeah, looks like that solves the challenge. So hopefully that makes sense. Using this helper function makes sense to me. It kind of helps keep the code a little bit more organized and broken down into separate functionality, and then makes the main function nice and clean. We can do this all in one line using map and a ternary operator. So I hope you found this video helpful.